What's up everybody, welcome to my channel again with another video. Today, 6 days ago, I made an awesome epic b-roll try with wine and with my phone, iPhone 12 Pro Max. It was like, okay, but something is missing. If you haven't seen this video, check it out. I will just leave it here and then check it out if you like it, if you find value on it, and do not forget to comment and like it. After this video, actually, I just thought that, something is missing. For this video, I will leave some pictures here on the screen. I used a Godox iPhone 12 Pro Max for taking this footage for this wine epic b-roll, and my gimbals and my tripod. I thought that I should do something more with the background sounds and with some cool music. That's why I have chosen Epidemic Sound. There are a lot of musics there, sound effects there. For your videos, especially such kind of videos, you have to find really good background sounds and a nice music. I have chosen a really nice epic music that I can make my transitions more smooth with the music, and it worked and I liked it. And some background musics, like when you're opening the can, and then when you're pouring the beer and this foam of the beer from the glass, it's just giving an amazing sound and an amazing look on my video. It was really difficult yesterday night because I slept at 6 o'clock and my eyes were really itching. I couldn't sleep. I said to myself, okay, I will finish this. In the beginning of my video, I was really stuck. 1 hour I waited for nothing because I was just thinking and motivating myself that I should do something really interesting, that first of all I should like it, and then people will like my video if I like it. I know that it should be something really interesting that when you're watching, you should not get out of this video. And especially when I'm watching, for example, Peter McKinnon and Daniel Schiffer, they are the kings for me, and they are making it really perfect because they have the ability and they have practices from the past, and I'm just in the beginning right now. But for this equipment and with this iPhone 12 Pro Max, just wanted to try how it will look. That's why I just gave it a try yesterday night. 3 hours I was just trying with the different scenes, with different view of the product and some light movements with the LEDs. And then I thought, okay, I will make all the footage come together, and then I will decide what I'm going to choose. And at the end of the video, I just sat down on the desk, collected all of them together, and then I tried to choose really the right ones and the right transitions and right slowdown and right speed ramp. In the beginning it was really a little bit complex because I wasn't really motivated and I was stuck 1 hour, as I said to you. Then something came to my mind.
What's the big idea?
That okay, just give it a try and it will be happening simultaneously. And after editing, I saw that it's going good, really, it's going better. After I was finished, I just watched it and I modified it. Actually, I just wanted to upload this video today evening, but I found some mistake in my video. That's why I just wanted to change some things and add some more effects and more sounds to make it make it alive a little bit more. In the beginning of my video, I made some transition effects with a green background, blue background, and then it's counting like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then boom, it's in the video, and it's giving really great effect. When I was checking Epidemic Sound, I found the music. This music was like in my mind all the time. I said, okay, I will use this music, and then I said to myself, okay, I will set up everything in my video according to this music. And it came to my mind that I can count like 1, 2, 3, 4, because the beats going like 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, and you're in the music. And I made this effect with the LED you see here on the background. I can use a remote control and I can change the colors of the LED, green, red, white, blue. So I was changing in a row, trying all the time. And then I got this footage into my timeline. I said, okay, I can choose some interesting colors and I can count on like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then boom, I'm in the middle of video when you're placing the beer bottle there, and it was interesting. Yeah, just try it like this. And if you want to use Epidemic Sound, check it out if you like. I will leave there under my video in the descriptions Epidemic Sound referral link if you want, and you can use my link. And by the way, it's not sponsored by Epidemic Sound. I'm financing all my stuff by myself. I'm hoping that you will like my video, so do not forget to subscribe. I'm leaving a link here right above on the corner of my video. And if you like all my videos, check it out on my channel. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and check. If you give value, do not forget to comment, like. Stay tuned with me. See you in the next video.